What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol, and today we are going to do these beautiful nails.
Been going through a lot of things lately. Mudé tu pepera. Point zero. Let's go.
Okay, so I use Kiss Beauty Maximum Speed Glue. I must say it really worked well. I love it. And I use Gnails. I'll put everything in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, let's get started. This is how I did these nails.
Monga eveza kuziva kudala wenze betya pamanje uvutika iwe
Okay, so I start by getting the nail and kind of pushing my cuticle back just to open it up, and then I get the nail, put glue on it, and I stick the nail onto my natural nail and hold onto it for about 5 to 6 seconds just to let it hold and dry. When putting the nail, you need to make sure that you try to get it as straight as possible. I know we're not perfect, but we need to try to get it as straight as possible. Okay, so now I'm just grabbing my nail cutter and cutting the nails to my preferred length. If you love long nails, you don't have to do this, but I don't really like my nails too long, so I cut them up. Now that our nails are all cut up, I'm just gonna start cutting the sides just to reduce the amount of filing that I'll have to do. But believe me, the filing process is a very long one. So okay, so we are now filing our nails to our desired shape. If you want yours to be the straight kind of nails, just make sure that your nail filer is straight, and if you want it to be, I don't know what they call it, just the almond shape that I'm trying to get. I can't really remember the shapes of the nails really now, of all times, Carol, right now. Okay, so if you want the shape that I went for, yeah, just do what I did.
Been going through a lot of things lately. Mudé tu pepera. Point zero. Let's go. Tries be my ground, Nikalanga ni diawo. I've been thinking to myself, Nanga why kusawo could it be I'm cursed. That's why if we take a check up and any machimo
Okay, so now I'm just getting my clear nail polish. This is NK nail hardener. Also really good if you've got those weak nails, natural weak nails. You can use that to kind of harden your nails, but I'll be using it as my clear nail polish today. So I'm using it just because my nail filer was not really fine, so I wanted the nails to have that smooth coat before I put the nail polish that I want.
When the world thinks I'm crazy, I'll trust you. That way I figure all my dreams will come true. For I know you are
Okay, so I decided to go for this beautiful army green, and here's a disclaimer, guys. I am not perfect, therefore I suck at putting nail polish on my own nails. I just make a mess everywhere, but I tried my best. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Love ya.